Magandang buhay! Siyempre, magandang bahay. Naghahanap po ba kayo ng isang kondo na malapit sa lahat? Ito na po mga kaibigan, ang ating Paseo Verde at Real. Located po yan dito sa may Las Piñas. Rent to own, now available in Paseo Verde. If you want to live on a resort type residences, live on a stress-free environment, live near all the essentials, we all have this in Paseo Verde. Choose from studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms units. Your new home is waiting for you. Inquire now. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.